So.
Oh yeah. We forgot to tell you guys. He got his hair. You know what I mean. Kind of sensitive about the subject, but it's okay. So we'll magically regrow his hair. You clearly can see we regrew his hair. That right there.
Yeah, that's my baldness. That's the blackness. No, I'm fine. I'm just
Nah, they can see your hair. See, not bald. Read this thing. We got Lonnie here, and then
Papa
And Rollins right here.
and Mom.
Rollin, look up.
Look up at me. And
We see. Oh, you're so pretty. I mean, you're so handsome.
Look, Papa.
Papa and Nene.
I do need.
We got Mommy up here.
Look at Nene. Nene's right.
Hold on, try. Mom, look up.
rub your hands together. Rub your hands. I'll get some hand sanitizer. Tiny mom. Mom said police magnet. I said it's not that tiny.
Then, I mean Nene.
No.
No, not on this phone. I got some. If I didn't have my business on here, I got some. Yeah, you change the ring. You do a certain time of day. I change.
Hey, Lonnie. Nene, Lonnie. Get in the picture.
Yeah, we go David, Michael Jackson, something like that.
Nene. Nene. That's fine.
Whatever. Happy your. I don't know that.
Rollin, look. Yeah, I took it.
Look, hold on. Take one. Take one when I count to three, okay? Okay. 1,
Here,
2,
pull it
3.
down, pull it down.
Okay, I took it.
Look another one.
No.
Why are you trying to like a ding?
Okay, let me see the picture.
Stop that.
But then that means I gotta stop the video.
Once she falls, I'm gonna be.
But I'm
Hola. Hold on. Hola. Soy de...
okay.
Mr. Booty.
I like when my hair's like this.
Amazing skills, talented people. I'm just saying everything so we don't forget in the future.
Forget, cut out, delete. Ha.
Oh, look. They put